Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is I, Miss Janita, back again with another grocery haul, update, pantry cleaning, reorganizing, chores, pantry chores, sink full of dishes, and the stuff in the sink I'm about to tell y'all what it is has to be cut up and put into the freezer. So many chores for me this evening. It is, what time? Oh, it's 4 after 4, a little after 4. It's Monday, September the 22nd, 2025. And I hope all of y'all is doing good, getting them groceries, catching sales, discounts. If you are able to shop a food pantry, that's great. And if they have something good to get, that's even better. But beggars can't be choosy. Not saying that people are begging, but that just old saying just came to my head. Why, I don't know. It just came up. I ain't calling nobody no beggar. That's just a saying that beggars can't be choosy. You go to a food pantry, the food is free. You can't go in there complaining, wishing they had Kraft mac and cheese instead of off-brand mac and cheese. That's what's carrying on. But yeah, today, what I got for y'all, I'm going to show you probably an area in the pantry area that I need to organize. What's going on? Okay, I'm in the sink with my little vegetables and fruit. I got this is 3 different stores. Kroger apples, 5-pound apples, I think it was $3.99. These apples smell amazing. I mean, smell like they just came off a tree. You know that good apple scent. Ooh, these apples smell so good. And I still haven't, I don't know if I mentioned to y'all. Y'all gonna get a sink full of dishes in this picture. I don't know if I mentioned I'm supposed to be making some apple turnovers. I don't know if I said that or not, but that's one of my missions I'm supposed to be doing. I don't know when. I'm supposed to have been last week, but nothing got done yet. So much I'm doing. I'm doing my crafting, gardening, and this and other activities I got going on around here. Cleaning and all that little stuff. I'm sharing with y'all some of my pantry cleaning chores, reorganizing chores, decluttering chores, all that good stuff I'm sharing with y'all in the video. Besides these delicious smelling apples, I got 4 bags of celery. And the celery came from, what's the name of the store? Oh, Food for Less. No, Walmart. I got 4 things of celery. I think they was $1.28. I see why. They real small. I'm about to wash this stuff, chop it up, and put it in the freezer. That's what's going to happen to that celery, and use it as a stable ingredient in my recipes that I make often. Yes, all this stuff I'm showing you today is something that's a recipe ingredient stable. And I got also the 3rd store up here. What I got? Food for Less, Walmart, and Target. You're not seeing every single thing. Target, I got a few things. Where's my other bag from Target? Uh-oh. Hold it now. Y'all, hold up. Okay, guys. I found my other bag from Target. But that's some groceries I'll share tomorrow, I believe. But right now, you're in the pantry area. And I'm showing you a shelf that I packed with all these noodles. Elbow, bow ties, shells, spaghetti, stuff like that. And the shelf that's below it, I ain't showing that shelf right. Oh, stuff falling everywhere. But as you can see, a little bit of it showing. It is a disorganized mess the shelf below these noodles. So let me go back up here. But I just wanted to share with y'all stuff that I'm doing in this pantry area that needs to be organized. A lot of stuff still need to be organized. I am not done by any means. I have so much to do, and it's gonna take me a few minutes to do it. So I just wanted to share a little pantry area where it's been a little organization, and you've seen a little bit of a unorganized shelf also. Hold on. Yeah, back at the sink. Anyway, y'all. Yeah, I did find my other Target bag. Like I said, I'll be sharing that on another day. But yeah, I gotta chop up. Did I tell y'all what this was? 3 bags of bell pepper from Target. That's what that was. I think I didn't get it all out. I have 3 bags of bell peppers from Target, a bag of apples from Food for Less, and 4 things of celery. Right here, celery from Walmart. So Walmart, Food for Less, and Target. Sitting up here. And I gave you a sample of some pantry chores, clean up organization chores I have to take care of. Oh, what do we have for dinner today? While I'm at it. Today, excuse me, I made today steak and gravy, rice cooked in beef broth, candy yams, black-eyed peas, okra, and tomato, and did I say candy yams? Cornbread. I made a pan of cornbread. I didn't do muffins, I did cornbread. So cornbread, candy yams, beef rice, steak and gravy, black-eyed peas, tomato, okra, and candy yams. I guess I got everything in there. That's like, what, 5 dishes? Yams, meat, peas, rice, cornbread, greens. Oh, I almost forgot. And collard greens. Oh, them collard greens were good. Yes, they were good. I discovered something while cooking them that will help me next time cooking them. I won't make a mistake like I did today. So, as you cook, you do figure out a few things. As you do a lot of things, you figure out a better way, or oh, you shouldn't do that. Learning experience. So yeah, so it was a good day. We had a soul food that was supposed to be on Sunday that we had today. I'm fixed on Monday, so it's leftovers for tomorrow. I might even be fasting tomorrow. I don't know. I'm fasting. I'm just drinking water. I could do it. I've done it before, and I can do it again. But hope you guys enjoyed this grocery haul, stable recipe ingredients haul, and pantry cleaning chores projects update. And until next time, you guys have a great one, and I appreciate you. And like I had mentioned in the last video, I have a crafting channel. I'm doing primitive looking arts and crafts over there, as well as, I don't know, old-fashioned antiques. Go and check it out if you like that kind of stuff. Join the channel. I also have a garden channel. If you like gardening, go and join that channel and check it out. Let me know you came. Leave a comment. Say that you came from my grocery channel, please. I appreciate it. And you know how you support this channel by subscribing, commenting, liking, hitting the notification, and letting the playlist run so I can get some watch time. I appreciate you guys for spending some of your time with me, because time is valuable. And please come back as often as you are available. You guys have a good one. Bye for now. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family.